listener note. This episode contains adult content and language. This may not be suitable for all listeners.
First up, a content warning. This video will include discussions of racist language and historical events of violence against people of color.
So, when we have terencak akal punya MPs on the opposition side, this is what they recommend to better Malaysia. Since government ada two-thirds majority, dare the PM now use the two-thirds majority to now limit PM to only Malay Muslim saja, tak boleh lain. Even though the Constitution makes no mention before this, so now he wants the Constitution to change now. Now, explain, please, how is that progressive? In what aspect? Sekarang ni, of course, even Lim Kit Siang says, in the foreseeable future, it's not likely that Malays, the majority race, will desire a PM that is not of their kind, because we are still racist. My earlier voice notes refers. But kita tak particular about competency, about qualification, about credentials. Tak, kita kira race kita. As long as kita punya race, lagi bagus. In fact, some Malays ataupun Malays lah especially, they even kalau boleh negeri mereka, kalau Johor punya, bangsa Johor. Kalau Kedah, Penang. So semua, kalau Terengganu punya orang. So kalau boleh, the Malay from their own state, lagi bagus. Maknanya lagi hebat lah Perdana Menteri dia tu. This pemimpin dia lagi hebat kalau daripada jenis dia. This is how pathetic it is. People like Wan Faizal probably subscribe to that lah kan. Tapi point is macam ni je lah. Maybe dia rasa nak pander towards Melayu punya cita rasa, where Melayu will always want PM to be Melayu. Now the point is, you don't need to amend the constitution, because kalau Malays don't desire anyone, no matter how good they are, to be PM, that person won't be PM pun. Okay, as far as the parties are concerned, the parties are not going to vote a PM yang rakyat reject. Impossible they will do that. Because they do that, they are out the next term. So it's not possible. Paling kuat pun satu term punya saja, and they will be a Sheraton move even before that. Jadi jangan haraplah a non-Malay to become PM, even if that constitution is the way it is now. Mana pernah jadi pun. Siapa nak tukar? How? Kalau DAP nak propose Cina punya PM pun, DAP kalau propose pun PM daripada DAP parti, dia propose Melayu. Because they know that is what Malays accept, and they need support of the Malays. Because DAP kau dapat 100% support of the non-Malays pun, tak cukup setengah pun. So DAP also jadi menteri, jadi kerajaan dengan ihsan Melayu. They are aware of that. And DAP bukan serve non-Malay saja. DAP serve semua. They are not racist. Adalah seorang doang dalam DAP, tapi under Anthony Loke, racist semua terkeluar lah. They get ejected, they go out, they tak puas hati. They cannot go along because racist doesn't go with DAP, because DAP is not racist anymore, I would say. Dulu mungkin, but now they are not racist anymore. And orang yang tak berapa okey dengan DAP akan terkeluar. People like Ramasamy, racist semua tu. To me, Ramasamy is racist. Dia keluar, tak boleh tahan. Jadi, so this Wan Faizal ni, apa point dia? Dia nak tukar constitution untuk apa? To make sure that, under no circumstance, a non-Malay can become a PM. Now, how does that benefit the Malaysia? How does that benefit the Malay? Sekarang ni, selagi Malay racist and they insist, dia takut kalau PM tu bukan Melayu, bukan Islam, there are many things that can be done. You don't need to even do anything to the constitution. A Malay will always continue to be a PM. Korup ke, sakau ke, penyangak ke, siapa pula, dia akan jadi Malay juga. Tapi tak kala later in the future, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, kalau Malay Melayu kebanyakan come out of their shell, come out of their coconut tempurung tu, and kita dah tak takut dah, tak ada insecurity about race dah. Maknanya kita arrive lah. I have hope for Malaysia that we will eventually detoxify. Bila racism, we are liberated from the shackles of racism, kita will be able to see beyond race and colours. It's coming dah. Whatever I'm saying pun resonate with many Malays dengan Malaysians pun. Many. You know who you are. If what I say makes sense, you know who you are because we can see beyond race dah. Tapi yang masih tak belum lagi, doesn't matter. In time, they will see beyond race. We will see what matters, what moves the needle. It's not the race. What moves the needle is the competency, the dedication, the experience, the knowledge, the credentials of a leader, the leadership of the leader, the integrity, dedication. Ini semua the qualities that exist in everybody, and ini tak mengenal bangsa, agama ataupun gender. They are pristine qualities that's required to propel and navigate this nation towards prosperity and harmony. Tahu tak? Jadi kalau at one time katakanlah kita punya the composite parties, we don't know who's going to be coalition with whom, what kind of leaders, what kind of party we can have in the future. And let's say eventually parti pun dah tak ada racial punya parti dah. And at that point of time, we discover tengok ada satu China atau India that is really a great leader and with so much vision. Dia lah boleh, and all the Malays pun rasa that non-Malay is best to lead the nation. We don't know tau in future ni. Mungkin anak kita, cucu kita. Tapi we can't have that. The Malays pun, the Malays and the non-Malays are deprived of that opportunity because si Wan Faizal kalau berjaya to make the government, ubah dalam constitution where the PM must be Melayu. Masa tu Wan Faizal pun dah tak hidup dah mati dah. Kita semua pun dah mati dah. Tapi anak-anak kita, cucu cicit kita now laden with that rule, that restrictive rule where the Prime Minister have to be of a particular race. And because of that, it eliminates the possibility of having any great potential leader that is not of that particular race. Kalau happen to be Melayu, that the superb, the excellent, perfect punya PM is from, tak apalah, okay lah, it's fine. Tapi, are you saying there's no chances? What are the chances that it must be a Malay? It will be a Malay. What if it's a Cina? What if it's a Sarawakian? What if it's a Sabahan? What if it's a Punjabi? What? Apa jadi? What if it's a Bangla that marries Malaysia and eventually becomes Malaysia? And that Bangla is a man of vision. Macam Gandhi ke? Macam Mandela ke? That kind of a person. And dia boleh lead and dia boleh get harmonize the country and vision on how people will want to invest in this country and menyumbang pada ekonomi kita and turn around the nation. Dia punya visionary. Tapi pasal dia bukan Melayu, constitution now menghalang. So how is that progressive? You just put something now to restrictive to Malaysia. How is that helpful to Malay pun? Bagi tahu. Because bukan semua Melayu akan jadi PM pun. Satu daripada Melayu je macam sekarang ni. Satu Melayu which is Anwar is PM. The rest dah tak PM dah. Lain semua rakyat biasa. Mahathir, Muhyiddin, Ismail Sabri, semua rakyat je ni. Satu je PM, Melayu. So bukan Melayu semua boleh jadi PM pun. And jadi kalau kita Melayu, penting sangat kan PM tu kena Melayu. How? Yang penting, kita kena satu PM yang akan jaga Melayu. Yang akan jaga hak-hak Melayu, yang akan jaga kepentingan Melayu berdasarkan Constitution. Jadi kalau kita ada satu orang PM ni, yang dia boleh jaga hak Melayu semua, dia boleh jaga hak-hak legitimate interest of the non-Malays, dan dia boleh pacu negara ni dengan pesat ekonomi kita, and kita boleh jadi macam Singapore if not better. Kita tiba-tiba kita Melayu ni tak boleh menyokong that Perdana Menteri yang bukan Melayu tu, walaupun dia ternyata paling bagus daripada compare tu apa-apa Melayu pun, Melayu lain pun tak ada wawasan macam dia. Kita tak boleh. So jadi kita Melayu ni, orang nak panggil Malaysia tanah Melayu, kita now deprived of great leaders. Kita tak ada dah. Kita narrow down the great leadership tu to a particular race. Tak ada negara buat macam tu. Kita je buat. Kita nak buat. So to me that is regressive. Jadi kalau orang nampak apa yang kata ni, you should know Perikatan Nasional is regressive. You give them two-thirds majority, you know what they will do. Sure, they will do this. You know what they will set us back 50 years behind. Jadi to me, because of whether we like it or not, Madani government is the best option now. Walaupun Madani government membuat banyak karut, jadi we just have to hentam and give constructive criticisms and highlight what's what, and hoping that they respond, hoping that we can also inspire the opposition to raise the issues that we talk about and bring forth in parliament, supaya the relevant debates happen instead of the baboon circus that's happening every now and then tu. Okay, so I just feel that Wan Faizal punya tu should just PM should just tell Wan Faizal tak perlu untuk the perubahan in the pilihan parlimen, because kalau the Malays desire a non-Malay PM, Malays should not be deprived of that opportunity. So by doing that, it's not helping the Malays, it is menyekat the opportunities and possibilities for the Malay citizens. Itu yang patut PM Anwar jawab pada Wan Faizal. And for now, if the Malays don't desire a PM other than a Malay PM, that will be so. There's nothing, nobody can force that to happen kalau the majority rakyat tak sokong that particular sipolan tu, whoever, dia Cina ke, India ke, Punjabi ke, Dayak ke, Kadazan ke, to become PM. Kalau orang kebanyakan tak setuju, dia tak boleh jadi PM. Enough said.
So if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free, you don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.